Have you ever considered that the very first signs of cancer might be silently growing within you long before you could ever detect them? What if I told you that by the time you can feel a tumor as small as 1 centimeter, the size of a pea in your breast during a self-exam, it already harbors a staggering 1 billion cancer cells? It's a truly chilling thought, isn't it? But here's the game-changing revelation. Your body is a marvel of natural defenses, constantly fighting off microscopic threats, and you possess an incredible, untapped power to amplify these defenses, preventing disaster before it even strikes. Imagine unlocking the secrets of foods and natural compounds that science is now proving can turn the tide against this formidable adversary, potentially doing what modern medicine sometimes struggles to achieve. Our bodies are incredibly resilient, battling cancerous cells daily, often without us ever realizing it. Tumors aren't born with a ready-made blood supply. They start as tiny, harmless clusters of mutated cells, unable to grow beyond the tip of a ballpoint pen without oxygen and nutrients. It's only when these rogue cells, like those in breast cancer, cunningly hijack our body's own circulatory system, selfishly recruiting blood vessels to feed their growth, that they become a real threat. If a tumor remains isolated from this vital blood supply, it can persist indefinitely, no larger than a pencil tip, unable to proliferate. This is where our vigilant immune system steps in, acting like diligent cops on a beat, spotting these suspicious cellular gatherings and whisking them away in a cellular paddy wagon, eliminating the threat before it can escalate. This natural resistance to cancer is a profound testament to our biology, raising a crucial question. Why don't we get cancer more often? The answer lies in several powerful, built-in defense mechanisms. Beyond immune surveillance, our bodies possess an inherent ability to prevent tumors from establishing their own blood supply, a process known as anti-angiogenesis. Without these lifelines, no blood vessels, no oxygen, no nutrients, cancer cells simply cannot thrive and are eventually wiped out by our immune system. Furthermore, cancer is often triggered by mutations in our DNA, turning normal cells haywire. But fear not, for our body has its own Geek Squad, a hardwired defense system constantly repairing damaged DNA and even putting up a shield to prevent future harm. Lastly, the incredible world of our gut microbiome, teeming with 39 trillion healthy bacteria, plays a pivotal role by lowering inflammation, a notorious catalyst for cancer growth, much like a barbecue flare-up fuels the cooking ribs. For years, an urban legend has circulated, warning that soy and soy foods are harmful, especially for breast cancer patients. This myth often stemmed from a well-intentioned but flawed understanding. Some breast cancers are estrogen sensitive, and soy contains phytoestrogens. The leap was made that any estrogen from soy must be bad. However, cutting-edge scientific research has thoroughly debunked this misconception. The journey to understanding soy's true power began with a young researcher named Ted Fotsis, who, while analyzing old urine samples, discovered a natural compound from soy called genistein. His lab initially dismissed it as it wasn't human estrogen. Yet further investigation revealed an astonishing truth. When scientists actually compared the chemical structure of soy phytoestrogens to human estrogen, they found them to be entirely different. In a truly groundbreaking discovery, it was revealed that soy phytoestrogens don't fuel cancer. They block human estrogen receptors, effectively acting as Mother Nature's tamoxifen. This means they can actively suppress the growth of estrogen-sensitive breast cancers and even starve them. This isn't just a theory, it's backed by robust clinical evidence. The renowned Shanghai Women's Breast Cancer Study, involving 5,000 women at high risk, found that those who consumed more soy experienced a remarkable 30% lower mortality rate. Even more compellingly, women who had already undergone breast cancer treatment and were cancer-free saw a 30% reduction in recurrence rates by incorporating more soy into their diets. This wasn't an isolated finding. 14 other clinical trials have since confirmed that increased soy intake consistently correlates with lower mortality and greater survival in breast cancer patients. the power of food extends far beyond soy. Our kitchens are veritable pharmacies of cancer-fighting compounds. Consider tomatoes, whose vibrant color hints at their protective qualities. Tree nuts like walnuts, pistachios, almonds, macadamias, and pine nuts are not just healthy snacks. They contain compounds that can help cut off the blood supply to cancer. The humble brassica vegetable family, including broccoli and even turnips, boasts sulforaphane, powerful substances that starve cancerous growths. And let's not forget the luscious berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries contain ellagic acid, which our research at the National Cancer Institute demonstrated can also disrupt the blood supply to tumors. These incredible foods are not meant to replace medical treatments, but rather to empower you with proactive strategies for your health, becoming integral parts of your daily self-care routine. Among these dietary champions, green tea stands out, particularly its more potent cousin, matcha. Regular green tea contains polyphenols and catechins that effectively cut off a tumor's blood supply. However, matcha elevates this benefit exponentially. Approximately 28 days before harvest, matcha tea plants are shaded, a process that dramatically increases their polyphenol production. Then, unlike regular tea leaves that are merely dried, matcha leaves are meticulously processed into a fine powder, meaning you consume 100% of the leaf's potent catechins, polyphenols, and even its dietary fiber. This explains matcha's dense, vibrant green hue and its extraordinary concentration of cancer-starving compounds. But perhaps its most astonishing discovery, revealed by scientists in England, is matcha's ability to directly kill breast cancer stem cells. This brings us to a critical, often overlooked aspect of cancer stem cells. These resilient cells are the reason why, even after successful treatment and years in remission, some cancers unfortunately return. Like our own stem cells that built us from a single fertilized egg, cancer stem cells possess the terrifying ability to renew and regenerate tumors. Despite our advanced medical capabilities, there is currently no conventional medicine designed to specifically target and eliminate these persistent cancer stem cells. Yet, incredibly, Mother Nature, through the power of matcha, has once again beaten us to the punch, offering a natural agent capable of destroying these elusive cells. Beyond specific foods, the microscopic world within us holds even more secrets to combating disease. One fascinating example is Lactobacillus reuteri, a beneficial gut bacterium that communicates directly with our brain. Studies show that L. reuteri can prompt the brain to release oxytocin, often called the love hormone. This hormone is crucial for social bonding, maternal-infant connection, and even feelings of joy. Intriguingly, in animal studies, simply adding L. reuteri to drinking water significantly reduced the size and incidence of breast tumors in animals prone to developing cancer. This beneficial bacterium also contributes to overall immunity, helping our cops on a beat immune cells become even more effective, and even combats cavity-causing bacteria in the mouth. Finding Lactobacillus reuteri in your diet is easier than you might think. It's the very starter bacteria for authentic sourdough bread, lending that distinct tangy flavor through the lactic acid it produces. When seeking sourdough, ensure it's traditionally made, not factory-produced with added vinegar to mimic the taste. Furthermore, this incredible bacterium is also a key ingredient in real Italian Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. While expensive and best consumed in moderation due to its fat and salt content, a sprinkle of authentic Parmigiano Reggiano can contribute to your intake of this beneficial probiotic. The widespread presence of L. reuteri in these beloved foods, coupled with research showing its ability to double the rate of wound healing in lab animals, underscores the profound and often surprising ways our diet can support our body's intricate defense systems.